Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to add a contact form in Google Sites. Stick around till the end to learn the step-by-step instructions for integrating a contact form into your website. Let us get started and make your Google site even more interactive. Start by opening your web browser. Next, search for Google Sites. Click on the first link associated with sites.google.com. Here you will get to see different readily available templates. Click on Templates Library from your top right corner. Now choose the template that suits you. They have templates of different categories and you can customize them as per your needs. If you want to have your design, click on Blank Site. Now edit this form and make changes as per your needs. If you want to add more pages, click on the page option and then click on plus. From here, you can add a new menu section, full page embed, new link, or new page. Let us continue by adding a new page. Now you need to name this new page. Add the name as contact to continue. As you can see, this page name has been added right next to home. You can easily switch the pages by clicking on names. Now click on the insert button, scroll down and select forms. From here, you can select and add a contact form if you have it already. Now open a new tab. Here, search and open your Google Drive. Click on Go to Drive and make sure you are logged in with the right account. Click on New, given in your top left corner. Then select the option of Google Forms. Add the title to your form. Once done, create the form that you want to add to Google Sites. You can add different details and even choose to record responses. If you don't want a blank form, you can even explore the templates that it offers. Here, you will get to see templates of different categories you can pick and use the one you like. Click on the template that you like and change it as per your needs. You can edit all the information and options given on this template. From the right, you can add additional questions, change text, add photos, videos, and polls. Add different options as per your question. You can add multiple questions. Once you are done, click on the Send button given on your top right corner. Now here, add your email address that is linked to your Google site account. Once done, click on Send. After that, open another tab and from here, go to your Gmail account. Open the email that contains your contact form. As you can see, we have got our email. Now head back to the Google site page. Here, click on the Insert option. Then scroll down and click on Forms. Here you will get to see the contact form that we have just created. Click on it and then click on Insert from the bottom. Now your contact form has been added to the Google site. Now change its position and adjust it on your page. You can resize it to fit the screen. Now change the cover by uploading or selecting an image. Once done, click on Publish from the top. After that, add your web browser. After that, add your web address and click on Publish. Once done, click on View. So as you can see, the contact form has been added to our Google site page. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.